Knowledge. Today, we're diving into essential respiratory system terminology, perfect for boosting your medical knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Adenoid or adenoids. Alveolus. Artello. Imperfect, incomplete. Broncho. Bronchus. Bronchio. Bronchus. Capanote. Carbon dioxide. Diaphragmat or diaphragm. Epiglottis. Larynx or larynx. Lobe or lobe. Motor. Mucus. Nase. Nose. Ortho. Straight. Pharynx o pharynx. Phone o sound, voice. Freno. Diaphragm. Pleural. Pleura. Pneum o lung, air. Lung, air. Lung. Pneumon or lung, air. Erpio. Bast. Radio. X-rays, ionizing radiation. Respiro. Breath, breathing. Rin o nose. Sinus o sinus. Somno. Sleep. Son o sound. Spiro. Breathe, breathing. Thoraco. Thorax, chest cavity. Tomo. To cut, section, slice. Tracheal. Trachea. Tonsil. Tonsil. Anoxia. Lack or absence of oxygen in the tissues. Asphyxia. Suffocation, literally lack of pulse. Aspiration. The accidental inhalation of food or other foreign material into the lungs. Asthma. A disease characterized by dyspnea and wheezing caused by spasm. Cyanosis, bluish discoloration of the skin caused by lack of oxygen in the blood. Sleep apnea, intermittent periods of breathing cessation during sleep. Empyema, accumulation of pus in a body cavity, especially the pleural space. Pyothorax. Hemothorax, presence of blood in the pleural space. Hydrothorax, presence of fluid in the pleural space. Hyperventilation, increased rate and depth of breathing. Hypoventilation, decreased rate and depth of breathing. Pneumonia, inflammation of the lungs generally caused by infection. Influenza, an acute, contagious respiratory infection causing fever, chills, headache, and muscle pain. Flu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.